Welcome guys. The easiest and most effective ceramic coating now in a spray. You can easily apply this in the same way as a car wax spray, just spray on, and wipe off. In this video Automotive Care brings 5 best ceramic spray coating in 2021. Through extensive research we did put together all these products in list and mention their links in the description box. Let's get started the list. Number 5, Carfidant Ceramic Spray Coating. This specially formulated SiO2 sealant will form a hydrophobic coating on your vehicle's paint, giving you a perfect, just detailed car shine. It is formulated the ultimate ceramic coating to work on all paints, chrome, aluminium glass windows and even headlights. Just spray your whole vehicle and watch the water bead up with a deep, wet and super hydrophobic protection. Helps keep your vehicle clean and prevents dirt, grime and grease from caking into your paint. This ceramic coating spray is the perfect waterless car wash in addition to having a light polish and wax benefits. You can spray it on a moderately dirty car and simply wipe off with a microfiber towel, it giving your car a brand new just polished shine. Carfidant formulate all the products to ensure they are the best. Professional grade but easy enough for anyone to use. They use only the absolute best chemicals and ensure there are no unnecessary color dyes or scents. You get the best cutting polishing compound in a specifically formulated formula with a kit that lets you go right to work. This ceramic spray coating is available on Amazon. Number 4, Mother's Ceramic Spray Coating. Introducing Mother's CMX Ceramic Spray Coating, unaffordable, user-friendly, professional grade, ultra-durable and super hydrophobic protection formula. Just spray on and wipe off, with this game-changing SiO2 and TiO2 blend. The SiO2 is silicon dioxide and TiO2 is titanium dioxide. It provides ultra-long-term protection from the elements and continuous water beading. The powerhouse combo provides ultra-long-term protection from the elements and relentless water beading, without sacrificing true optical clarity, extreme depth and that signature ceramic glass-like liquid gloss appearance. Use as a standalone product, or as a booster over your existing sealant or ceramic coating. Washing and caring for your vehicle has never been easier. It keeps exterior looking new and helps your car stay cleaner longer due to the super hydrophobic protective barrier. This ceramic spray coating is available on Amazon. Number 3, Turtle Wax Ceramic Spray Coating. The Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions line is designed by and for the industry's most discerning detailers. The ultimate method for long-lasting ceramic protection on your vehicle's surface. This easy-to-use product sprays on and wipes off with very little effort while delivering superior shine and protection. Yet this cleverly crafted, professional-grade suite of products is the most approachable on the market from an ease of use and price perspective. With the perfect blend of the latest technologies in car care teamed with Turtle Wax's decades of experience, the Hybrid Solutions is to deliver unmatched results. Not only will cars treated with Hybrid Solutions have a high gloss shine and durable protection for today's finishes, but they'll be ready to hit the road for any unexpected adventure. It delivers unmatched hydrophobicity and ceramic protection that will last a minimum of 6 months, and keeps exterior looking new and helps your car stay cleaner longer due to the super hydrophobic protective barrier. This ceramic spray coating is available on Amazon. Second last, Nexgen Ceramic Spray Coating. This premium ceramic coating spray creates an impenetrable layer of protection on your vehicle's surface. Using the highest grade of silicon dioxide, which drastically reduces the ability for contaminants to streak, scratch and degrade your clear coat and vehicle paint, while creating a mirror-like shine. Nexgen Ceramic Spray was designed for you to be able to protect your ride from scratches, fading and other damage while also administering UV protection and a deep, lustrous shine. Protect your vehicle in 3 simple steps. Spray Nexgen ceramic onto your vehicle's surface, wipe evenly with a microfiber towel, then buff out for an unbelievable shine. It covers all your modes of transport. Nexgen is super effective on external solid surfaces, including on metal, paint, glass, plastic, and so much more. Nexgen ceramic spray was engineered to protect any solid external surfaces. The hydrophobic formulation creates a glass-like surface that repels water and other environmental contaminants, ultimately protecting and extending the lifespan of your car's delicate clear coat. This ceramic spray coating is available on Amazon, and on the first, Shine Armor ceramic spray coating. This Fortify Quick Coat is your all-in-one ceramic coating hydrophobic spray. The Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat ceramic car wax provides a waterless wash, coat and shine, all-in-one convenient product. Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat Premium Formula Ceramic Car Coating is a gentle and effective car polish for any vehicle. Get a clean, shiny finish without hurting your car's paint. This Quick Coat Ceramic Wax Car Sealant eliminates dirt, grime and grease instantly. This signature 3-in-1 formula gives you a waterless car wash, coat and shine for a clean, showcase look. Use this car wax spray on automobiles, boats, motorbikes, RVs, four-wheelers and more. This spray wax is the perfect blend of surfactants and SiO2 ceramic coating science. This means superior shine for your cars. This ceramic quick coat also works as a sealer to give your vehicle a clear shield of protection while also providing a beautiful gloss. The ceramic coat is the best hydrophobic car spray available. This ceramic spray coating is available on Amazon. These 5 are the best ceramic sprays coatings. You can choose any one for your use. For any information about all these products, visit to the links in the description box. Thanks for watching, goodbye.